April 2, 2014, 6:58:22 p.m.
911, where's your emergency?
Hi, I need an ambulance at 5212 Heathrow Hills Boulevard.
5212?
Yeah, 5212 Heathrow Hills.
What's going on?
37027. There is a adult male with, I think, a stab wound. I don't think he's breathing. I need an ambulance
How
right
did he
away.
get stabbed?
I'm not sure. I just walked through the door. There's blood everywhere.
Okay. How old are you related to him?
He's my father-in-law. He's 65.
All right. Is anyone else at your house right now?
Yeah, my husband. He's having a nervous breakdown. I don't really know what's going on. I need an ambulance right away, please.
I understand that. What's your name?
My name is Kristen.
Last name?
Not Cantrell. Cantrell. The victim's name is Oliver Cantrell.
Okay. I'm going to have police and fire on the way. I want you to stay on the phone with me.
Okay.
We're not going to hang up.
I don't know when it happened. Oliver. I don't know what's going on.
Okay.
Oh, my God, I just got here. I was at work.
You're doing fine. Is he breathing? Can you put your ear to his
No,
mouth?
he's not breathing. He's pale. He's white. I put his hand on my mouth. I can't find a pulse. He's lost a lot of blood.
Okay. All right.
Oliver, his eyes are open. I mean, I don't know what to do.
Now, does it appear that he was stabbed or he stabbed himself?
I can't tell. I don't know, and I don't know. I don't want to touch him. I don't know what to do. There's blood everywhere.
Yeah. Hold on.
Oliver.
A knife. Is there a knife there still?
Yes, the knife is laying beside him.
Okay, don't touch that. Is it a large knife?
Yeah, it's a kitchen knife.
Okay, I'm going to get us to
my mother-in-law's pulling in the driveway.
Okay, I'm going to get us.
Like this.
Okay. I'm going to get us to the ambulance, and we're going to help you. Don't hang up.
I think he's dead. I don't know.
I'm still here. I'm still here with you.
Oh, my mother-in-law's got to lose her shit when she gets...
911, what's the emergency?
Okay, tell them.
Hi, I have an adult male stab wound at 52. Adult male stab wound, 5212 Heathrow Hills Drive, Brentwood 37027.
We are on the way, ma'am. Are you with him now?
Okay, I'm with him now.
Okay.
She doesn't know if he's breathing.
Okay.
I don't think he's breathing. His
Can't
eyes
tell
are
if he's
open.
breathing or not, ma'am?
I don't think he's breathing. He's pale.